we're going to start a new series. Yep, we're going to start a new series, and I'm going to call it Becoming Rhaenyra Targaryen, and I'm going to bring you guys with me on literally making every step of this dress. Now we are going to be making this dress whenever this dress decides to pop on the episodes. Right now when I'm recording, episode 6 just dropped a couple days ago. It's midweek, almost to the weekend to see episode 7. So I don't know when this dress is coming, but when it is, this is the one we're making. Okay, now, so the first thing we're going to be doing is trying to find the fabric for this dress. It is becoming a pain. I have determined it is silk, so we're searching for silk. It's a damask pattern, so we're searching for damask. It can be any other type of fabric. Well, silk is the fabric, but other ways of describing the fabric. But those are what we're going with, those 2 code words. Why are you drinking my water, bro? I have tapped out moodfabric.com, Joann's, all of the main ones to try to find this fabric. I'm now on Etsy and eBay, and it is so difficult. I have 2 swatches that I ordered that turned out not to work out. It is a taffeta and a velvet swatch, just because I wanted to see what they looked like in the light. And the taffeta is a sad backup if I want. The velvet's not at all going to work, nowhere near. But this is the choices that I have so far. That is chenille. It will not work. The fabric will not look anything like that. This one over here is not too terrible. I don't know. But this one's kind of working out, except I cannot tell at all how this fabric. It's not the same damask, but it's very similar. But what is this? I have no swipey, no nothing. I don't know. Yes, and it describes it as jacquard as well, which is fine to also search for. But man, this is... I don't know. Why is there a tiny little violin and a tiny little Barbie bench? What is this? So I'm currently going to keep going through Google, seeing what I can find in my price range and what I need. If you all happen to see that fabric out there in the wild or know where it would be, send me the links. So, yeah, here's day 1. Actually, this has been day 5. I've been searching for this fabric for a long time, but here's to seeing how this little series goes. Yay!